estaba dedicado a la mujer que amó. Los versos eran tristes y mal logrados, pero eran un reflejo de aquellos años, los años más terribles.
Daniel Waters is made possible thanks to people like you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more dance content. We post new dances and tutorials every single week. Consider donating to Daniel Waters, where everything is possible.